Why am I thinking?
I'm so sorry, Tom. I didn't know you felt that way. You know, getting left behind. Wow. What are you doing to Big Mom?
Wait. I'm imagining Carl Wheezer's voice.
No, that's more like the teacher. Carl Wheezer is more up here.
I can't see.
Carl Wheezer would
Your
never leave you behind, Tom.
mask is in the way. I can't see.
Oh, I'm sorry. Am I in the way, Tom?
Tom, wrong way. Go this way.
Man, I love messing with you when you're high.
Carl
You're just,
Wheezer.
it's Carl Wheezer. You want me to start singing as Carl
Right here.
Wheezer?
Singing about llamas.
Oh, shy.
Singing about llamas.
Yeah.
Hey, Jimmy's mom, would you like to see my llamas?
You're beautiful like Judy in the sky. I too are so alive.
Technically,
You're
this way.
beautiful like Judy in the sky. Shine bright like Judy.
Oh, if you have
Shine
enough
bright like
stamina.
croissant. Do you think she'll ever take me back, Tom? About to
what?
die,
Go the
Tom.
other
Oh, I'm
way.
so sorry. I love it. You're trying so hard here, and you hear me. I'm just being a big old dumbass.